There was a 9.5% bullish reaction towards Nokia stock after it said there are plans to lift its full year guidance just ahead of its second quarter earnings report, which will be released on Thursday, July 29th, 2021. Options traders have taken notice. So far, 333,000 calls and 44,000 puts have exchanged hands, 5 times the intraday average. The July 6 call was the most popular, followed by the 5.5 call, with positions being bought to open at both ends. I think also the 6.5 call was also popular. This bullish reaction comes after Nokia said yes, we've said that the 13th of July's 9.5 extension has put Nokia at its highest level since late January surge, back when the meme stock craze began to really run amok, with Nokia as one of its poster children. The stock quickly dipped from its unprecedented climb to the 9.79 level, though a bull gap in late April helped the stock rebound with a solid strand of support earnings at the 40-day moving average, and keeping Nokia stock at a substantial 51.4% year-to-date lead. So let's quickly have a look at those options. You can see that this is the 6 July call. Yes, it has open interest of 50,954 interests, or rather contracts, which is approximately about 5 million shares if they have to be exercised. But the 6.5 doesn't have much. We have, yes, indeed, the 5.5 is the next. Based on open interest, it has 40,555 open interests. The 8 was also popular. Even below, things are also getting popular there. The 9 was also popular. So I wouldn't say we should expect any more squeeze going on, but because it doesn't have, the short interest has diminished. So yes, going back, we can see what's going on here. It closed at 5.88, and I think in this pre-market session it's at almost, in this pre-market session or post-market session, it's almost at approximately 6. It's at 5.9499. That is where it is at right now in this post/pre-market session of the 14th of July. So it is 3:57 Eastern US time at the moment. So let's return and see what's going on here. So that piece from Schaefer Investment Research, that was the piece we just read earlier on. Yeah, they were saying that the stock dipped in January. This is when the meme craze started. It's absolutely, and it pulled back. And so I think sometime in April they mentioned something like that. We don't have April here. There was some extension, I think, maybe. So yes, exactly, we're looking at that sometime in April. And something again about the 40-day moving average. Yes, it got some support from the 50-day moving or 40-day moving average, which is around there, somewhere around there. Okay. So, but all in all, the stock has continued to be it's strongly bullish. Yeah, absolutely strongly bullish. Let's see it's strongly bullish. All the oscillators are, extending, absolutely extending. MACD definitely above the MACD histogram, definitely above zero and rising. Yes, it's strongly bullish. It is in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is absolutely upward sloping. MACD histogram is above zero and rising. It is easily outperforming the S&P 500. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is strongly bullish. The momentum is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay higher prices for shares. The volume for that session, the 13th of July, was heavier than usual, trading 112.928 million shares versus an average of 49.07 million shares per day during the last 12 months. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of that indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. The 10-day average for shares is 30.734 million shares, and the RSI is 72. All of these are very much strong bullish signals. So for those who are already there, this might be of some positive to you. For those who are not there yet, yeah, I would say it's the volatility is not that crazy. It's extending on momentum. So if you really want to get involved with the Nokia, do that because of the you can see. Sorry to interrupt. The momentum is only the volatility is only 65.11. We know that some other stocks can have up to 600% of volatility, but this is just very much modest. It corrects, pulls back, extends. So if you do want to get involved with Nokia, do that because of the momentum. Do that because it's a sound company and all that stuff. Just do that because of that. Don't expect the next squeeze to push up the stock. So do that for because of the fundamentals. Try and stay there for some time. And let's see how things go. Okay, so Nokia is currently now at 5.94. Not much is going on right now in this pre-market session. Okay, we have seen that I think it's also saying it has retraced by $0.34. So this price we are looking at right now may not be the most accurate. So let's see whether the daily model it's probably reflecting that. Okay, yeah, to some extent it is reflecting that. So let's see how things go. Yes, it is reflecting that. It's just slightly below the volume weighted average price. Okay, so let's see how things go. If you really want to get involved with Nokia, as I said earlier on, it's a sound business. The momentum, the signals are very much positive, and it's in a bullish trend. Signals are also bullish and positive, so yes, by all means do so, even though normally we would actually prefer it to be trading at a discount to some of those near-term moving averages, some of the short-term moving averages, but it's not. It doesn't strictly have to be just that alone. Things are going right for the stock, I believe. And the earnings are yet to come out in a few weeks' time. So if it's of interest to you, by all means do so. And at the same time, every stock is a risky play. So it is indeed a risky play as well. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.